Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Husnain Arif, and as usual today we have come up with yet another interesting video about the world of technology. And in today's video we are going to talk about what is Google Trends and how you can use Google Trends. Well, if you are new to the digital world, or if you are a newbie in the blogging field and you are looking to find out good keywords or good ideas to find out about content writing, and you are interested to know what is the content that the users are looking for, well, the Google Trend is the right answer for you. Yes, in Google Trends you will get to know about each and everything whatever user is searching in specific area. Even in the country wise you get to know what is the current trends in the country, what are the basic things that the people of that countries are looking for. So that is how Google Trends can help you with your content writing. You get the ideas about what people are searching in that specific country, you get to know about different topics, you get to know about each and everything that the user are looking for, and that too in a real time data. That is how Google Trend works, and that is how effective it is for the content writers to take help of Google Trends. Yes, this was a brief introduction about how you can use Google Trends to find content ideas for your blog and content ideas for interesting content writing. And in this way, sometimes people are thinking about what content to write, what things to write, what are the different things that they should looking for, and sometimes they fail to find out the exact specific content. So to help you out with this, Google Trends is the place to go for. So let's go to the Google Trends. If you want to go to the Google Trends, the domain name is trends.google.com, and when you come to the home page you will see a screen like this. Here you will see the real-time data that the people are looking for. Currently I'm located in United States, and the Google Trends is showing me the live data of Google Trends United States. Yes, the people in United States are currently searching for, you can see, Taylor Swift, Kim, World Cup, football, American football, and even it is showing you the entire data about the states as well as the entire region. So this is how effective it is. And in case if you want to search for your own specific terms and terminologies or content ideas, you can simply hit the search icon and put in your own keywords and get the ideas about what content the people are looking for. And if you are interesting to write some content, and you can get an idea that whether that content will be effective in that specific country or not. If you scroll in the Google Trends, you can see that it is also providing you with latest stories and insight from the year 2021. Here in the highlight section, you can see that in the year 2021 on Google Trends, you will find the data about the trending searches that happen in 2021 in United States on Google Trends, and the data shows that the searches include NBA, DMX, Gabby Petito, and in the news section, Mega Millions, AMC Stock, George, Senate Race, and in the people you can see Tiger Woods, Travis Scott, and similarly there are different categories, and in each category you can see that the top 5 searching being showed to you. You will tend to get great ideas about what content you should write about in the future. So this is how effective Google Trends is, and it can help you write good interesting content that you can target the audience of, and it's very effective in means of finding the good content for the relevant audience. So here we are back at the page where we started. As you can see that this was about the trending searches in the year 2021, and if you scroll down you will get to see the recent trending searches on the Google Trends. As you can see that Mother Day has got 100k searches. Similarly, Phil Collins, Jeff Carson, Circuit of America, Raptors. These are just a few highlights of the searches that are being done on Google. So the Google Trends shows you the live data from the Google Search Console and similarly can help you build on to this. This is how easy and effective this is. And similarly, if you want to search your own thing, let's suppose if you want to see what people search about Taylor Swift, we input the search term and hit the search icon, and it is going to show us about what people have searched about Taylor Swift. You will get about the states, what states are searching, how many people are searching, even you get the related queries and the related topic ideas. So the basic thing here is to understand, if you see the terminology, it is written as I bet you think about me Taylor Swift. It is shown as breakout. It means it has great number of searches and people are really going mad about this on Google search. And if we go towards the top, and here you can see that these are just the terminologies or the keywords about Taylor Swift, such as Taylor Swift lyrics, Taylor Swift songs that people are currently searching for. So from here you can select about anything from even the past hour. The Google will show you the live data. Yes, in the last past hour in the complete United States, people have searched a lot about Taylor Swift, and you get to know about the state, sub-region, and similarly you get to know about the related query as well. Interesting thing, how tall is Taylor Swift? So you tend to get great interesting ideas about content writing and what content you need to write about. And from here you can simply change the region as well. You can change any country, you can change to any country and look out for different terminologies. Here if I select the worldwide, it will show that in the worldwide Taylor Swift also has got great number of searches in the past hour. And if you move down, we will see about the regions in Philippines, in Singapore, in Hong Kong. There are numerous searches, and we also get about the related query ideas. Here you can see that what specific queries the people are putting on Google search engine and trying to look out for the content that they want to. So from here in Google Trends, you will get great content ideas. You will get about what people are typing in the Google search bar and what people are looking for. And in this way, you can use Google Trends to create interesting content and find the audience that is already searching for those content. So this is how easy it is to work alongside on Google Trends to find interesting ideas about what things to write about, what content to write, and you will find out that you will already know about what people are searching for. So you already know that there is an audience in the market who is searching for that specific topic, and if you write good unique content and informative content as compared to the already provided content on the web, then you can hit the jackpot and you can rank among the top 10 search results and similarly earn good amount of money using this basic technique of utilizing the Google Trends. So this is it. This was just the basic function about how what is Google Trends and how to use Google Trends to find interesting ideas about content writing. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos in my channel, Husnain Arif. Thank you for watching.